It's Miss Lindsay from Long Island, back again with a great book, and this is called Birds, which are one of my favorite things. I love birds. I feed the birds in my yard every day. It makes me happy to watch them fly around, and I love them. So I got a book about them, and we're gonna read it. And I'm gonna show you my awesome earrings today. They're so cool. They're little water bottles. If you can see, how funny is that, right? And they're from my friend Cajun Cookie, my buddy. She hooked me up. This book is by Kevin Henkes, and it's illustrated by Laura Dronzek. I'm sorry if I slaughtered that, guys. I'm trying. It's a great book, and I hope that you guys like it as much as I did. It's called Birds. 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 And the pictures are beautiful, by Laura Dronzek. For our parents and our children. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow or blue or brown or red or even green, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Birds can be big or little, or any size in between. Look at what we have here. We have a pink flamingo, a little hummingbird, an owl, a seagull, and I'm not sure about the rest. I guess maybe a little sparrow. I gotta learn about my birds more. Once I saw 7 birds on a telephone wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move, and I looked away for 1 second, and they were all gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this. Or this. It's so pretty, right? Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. I'm pretty sure that's a cardinal, which is cool. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. So it's a short book, but I liked it a lot. It's one of my favorite subjects, which is birds. What's your favorite bird? I like chickadees a lot. I do have to say, chickadees are definitely one of my favorites. Let me know, and let me know what you want me to read next. As always, guys, if no one told you yet today that they love you, don't forget Miss Lindsay from Long Island loves you very, very much. And I'll see you soon. Thank you. Love you.